Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Lion. How many people have become millionaires from holding Dogecoin? Well, that depends on who you're looking at. The internet is abuzz with this today, and at risk of sounding Shakespearean, I'll recount why this matters first. Well, we all know what happened when Doge came into existence. It was a little-known cryptocurrency and very few bought into it at first. By the time the Shiba Inu made the rounds on the internet, it caught like a wildfire, and the price of Doge rose. The likes of Elon Musk have been tweeting about the cryptocurrency, and many more people have become either interested or bought into Doge. One of these lucky people was Glauber Soto, a 33-year-old resident of Los Angeles. He purchased the low after some wise words from the Doge father Elon Musk. This investment turned him into a millionaire. I guess there are some lessons here. Buying the low is instructive, or perhaps getting into the markets at the right time is better. This 33-year-old invested his savings in the meme cryptocurrency with inspiration from Elon Musk, and now he's having the time of his life. Bear in mind that being a Doge millionaire means he probably bought a little more than the average guy. But yeah, he's a millionaire, and it's all thanks to Doge. Let's not forget, the currency is trading under $1 still. Imagine what happens when the currency rises above $1 or to $3. Is it plausible that there will be a tapering off of supply, or that acceptance of the coin across Europe and North America will pull in more people? That's almost inevitable at this point, so the price point at this level should be a precursor to a more protracted rally. By the time that happens, I'm pretty sure there will be another millionaire. Anyways, let's get to seeing or hearing more about this guy, Glauber Soto. But before we go any further, make sure you leave a like on this video, tap the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications on this channel, as it helps more people find us and equally helps you get up-to-date information on developments on Doge and the broader crypto market. So with that said, let's jump right in. Over the years, there's been a noticeable rise in the popularity and value of various cryptocurrencies in the crypto market. Some of the most popular currencies, such as Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, have risen in value. In contrast, the price of Doge increased significantly after billionaire Elon Musk started tweeting about it. And since he started, he hasn't stopped. It's pretty incredible how far the currency has come, rallying by up to 8,000%, and even after the slump seen just after Doge Day, it's climbing steadily. Doge is currently trading at about 65 cents, which is not bad, given it was trudging along at almost 20 cents recently. However, the seesaw in value of the exchange rate was expected, and the decision by Saturday Night Live to invite Elon Musk has made the price of the currency rise at a quicker pace recently. So who is this millionaire from Doge? He's a guy called Glauber Soto from Los Angeles. The guy's equally a fan of the SpaceX boss. After Elon Musk began tweeting about Dogecoin a few months ago, Soto went in and bought 5 million Dogecoins at around 4.5 cents on February 5th. Now this sounds outlandish, but after the price of the cryptocurrency rose, the value of his Dogecoins equally rose to make him a millionaire by default. On April 15th, Soto shared a pretty exciting screenshot of his Robinhood account on the Dogecoin subreddit that showed the value of his investment had risen to be a little over $1 million. So it took around 69 days for him to become a Dogecoin millionaire after the cryptocurrency's price rose. Now, after buying the initial 5 million Dogecoin, Soto shared a video on his YouTube channel to explain the top 5 reasons that drove him to invest in the cryptocurrency. You can check out the 18-minute video, but I think the reasons are pretty much straightforward. 1. He was interested in cryptocurrencies like millions of people, on and off Reddit, so he decided to find a low-cost way of investing in them. 2. He was looking to invest in a digital currency or altcoin that wasn't going to require all his savings and was pretty low risk. Finally, the tweet from Elon Musk made him think of Doge as a good investment. So in the video, Soto says, after Elon Musk started tweeting about Dogecoin, I decided to invest in it as well, as I thought it's a pretty good opportunity. As a result, he took out all the savings from his bank accounts, sold his shares of Tesla, Uber, and invested every penny to buy the initial Dogecoins. Although many of his friends and family were skeptical and warned him about the risks involved, he stuck to his plan and invested in Dogecoin. And guess what? After a few months, Glauber Soto shared on his YouTube channel that he became a millionaire. In an interview with CNBC, the 33-year-old from Los Angeles said, I was up all night staring at my screen after learning about the new meme-based cryptocurrency on Reddit. He made a $180,000 investment on February 5th when Dogecoin was trading at around 4.5 cents. Before investing, he had heard about a range of cryptocurrencies, but was intrigued by Dogecoin for a few reasons. First, he loved the fact that a meme drove Dogecoin. and the Reddit community surrounding the coin equally meant that the base had grown organically. When people choose to invest in an asset class, they do so because they believe in its inherent value. This has and always will remain the basis of cryptocurrencies. The point of decentralized finance is to enable millions of people to hold a particular currency or an asset class. In this case, he appreciated the currency was inspired by the Shiba Inu dog meme. Going through the interview with CNBC, he also said, like many Dogecoin holders, a reason why I put my savings into Dogecoin is Elon Musk, who has repeatedly tweeted about the cryptocurrency. We all know there is great fanfare about Elon Musk, and the fact that he might not be officially backing the currency just yet and is merely poking fun at other overpriced and overbought cryptocurrencies. However, this did not deter Conte Soto from investing in the cryptocurrency, and he said he saw it as an opportunity to build his wealth. But more importantly, he spoke about building generational wealth he could pass on to his family. He equally said he grew up poor, and so the fact that the currency has made him into a millionaire is a pretty big deal for him. Conte Soto, an executive at a music company, said that he did not have the disposable income to buy the cryptocurrency. So he took a massive risk by investing in Dogecoin. Not only did he use all of his savings, but he also sold all the stocks and assets he owned, including shares of Tesla and Uber as we mentioned, and equally invested on margin by borrowing from Robinhood. This is what can be described as a considerable risk. Selling Tesla and Uber shares for a cryptocurrency that is little known isn't what most investors think like, but as always, it pays off for some. One of his friends said in a text message, "Dude, it's a pump and dump scheme, and it's going to zero eventually." Experts are wary of Dogecoin, and while they were skeptical of Bitcoin, its price nonetheless surpassed its initial offering price of $500. Some have argued that people who invest in Dogecoin can get burned, and while this is true, it's equally a bit alarmist. If investors are diversifying into cryptos, it would make sense for individuals who can't own Bitcoin to purchase cryptos that suit their investment needs. Regarding the value of the currency reaching zero, there are two reasons it might be low on the medium term, but certainly not over time. The market for Doge is not saturated yet, and many people are still buying the currency. They're looking for a more significant number of people to own the currency to use across the world. This will make it more useful than other cryptocurrencies, and could see it eventually replace cash. Greater convertibility means people can simply switch from one currency to another. Secondly, the difference between Doge and Bitcoin is that people can easily use the currency to purchase a coffee or groceries. This is not the case for Bitcoin, which explains why most companies that accept Bitcoin are luxury companies. In the case of Doge, imagine going to Starbucks or Cafe Nero and paying in Dogecoins. The era of decentralized finance will see two schools of thought emerge. Those who think the pricier currencies can become used as a legal tender despite being more expensive than the new cryptocurrencies, and those who think retailing smaller chunks of Bitcoin, for example, could be worthwhile over the long run. Regardless of how we choose to view it, Dogecoin is the cheapest way to invest in cryptocurrencies, as it's super affordable and available to the masses, quite literally. Most cryptocurrencies are exclusionary, and their prices make it difficult for people to invest in them. Dogecoin has created a millionaire, and although he took a considerable risk, it paid off. I'm tempted to say it's always good to take a chance, but this is not the place to say that. Several factors go into making one a Dogecoin millionaire, and luck is one of them. Also, the currency will have to see fewer issuances in the future as it gets adopted over many more countries and its user base grows. Once its money supply begins to be regulated, I can see how the price will rise, and Dogecoin will create many more millionaires. What's funny about Doge is that it began as a meme, but people have since caught up to the joke. Don't think for a second anyone would hate to be a Dogecoin millionaire. So hey, this is a lucky guy who bought the market's low point and watched the price rise. It could be anyone. It could be you. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe buttons to get more updates from us. It helps more people see our videos. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments section as well, as we love to hear from you, and it's nice to know what you think. Is it luck, or did Mr. Conte Soto make a clever decision? Let us know your views. And don't hesitate to share this with someone interested in Doge and cryptos. Good luck, and happy investing.
Hollywood Carson. That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.